Hi, this is Matt with a WordPress Elementor instructional video. Today I will cover adding text and buttons. So let's get started. Here you see the web page that I've created. It's definitely very ugly, but we've learned a lot of things with this. So what I would like to do now is I would like to add a separate text and button widget. So here I have my two separate crosses. So I'm going to go ahead and click here first. I'm going to add some text. So I will grab from the text editor, autofills with lorem ipsum. So let's delete that, and I will write, click the button next to me for a great time. Sounds like something you'd read on a bathroom wall. All right, and let's go to style. I can change the color of my text. I can change my font. I can change the way it's displayed, how many columns there are, the gap between those columns, but I'm going to go ahead and just leave it there for now, though I will center it just to show that I can. Alrighty, and then here in advanced, we have all the same options that we always have. Now I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to add a button. And on my button, I see click here. I can change the type of my button to a success button. For some reason, success is darker. I'm not sure why. Danger button is red. I'm just going to leave it default because we're going to make a lot of changes to it later. I'm going to change the text here. It says click here, and I'm going to change this to great time. Wonderful. And here you see I have an option to put in a link. I'm going to leave that blank for right now, and I'll show you in just a minute how to work that. I have the option to center my button. I'll go ahead and leave it left aligned so it's closer to its text friend. I can choose the size of my button. Let's make it extra large just for laughs. I can give it an icon next to it. That puts it next to the words in the button. I'm going to go ahead and click this X to get rid of that. And I can give an ID, and that's for use with the CSS and the HTML. Now I'm going to go to the style of my button. In typography, I have my fonts, my weights, all of that. I can change the color of the text. I'm going to go ahead and leave it white. But I can change the background color, and let's make that black, just because. Here I can give it a border if I want. So I'll go ahead and change that back. Now I have a maybe not great looking button, but a button. And then here I have advanced with all the same advanced things. Now what I'd like to do is I would like to hook this button to the Dangy Designs main web page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open dangydesigns.com. I'm going to click there, and I am going to copy that. And here in link, I'll delete this little hashtag. Oh, wrong button. I'll just go ahead and type it out. Great. And now I'm going to go ahead and hit update. And that will update my web page, and this button should work unless I've made a glaring error. So let's go ahead and click on it. Scroll through our beautiful page. Click great time. And that brings me to the Dangy Designs main page. And that is how to create a button. You can create anything, all kinds of buttons. I can turn any of these images into buttons if I wanted, any text into buttons. All that is possible through Elementor. And you see here we actually have this one turned into a button. Let's go to our new designs. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. That concludes our video segments on WordPress Elementor instructional videos. Feel free to check out my other tutorial videos for any additional questions you may have.